sexy nga oyatay.
Hindi na magkadlaw.
Agad na. Agad na. Your second runner-up is to receive a cash certificate and a sash. She is no other than your Beanie Gwen. Beanie Gwen. Yeah, she will receive another cash prize. Judge Jobert and Judge Jason, please do the honor to award the rest. Hindi na magpati. Mga tamaran nga judge niyo. Salad na sa again together with Mananguti. So buwas pa na? Joke. Picture.